I have an arcoaire central air unit. Model NAC024AKC3. The fan on the unit is not coming on. The unit was blowing cold the night before. The fan is not seized. Should I replace the fan motor or could it be something else? Thanks.
Hello, my name is Billy. While the unit should be running.have spun the fan blade by hand. I need to know if when spun it tries to start, or does, or if it just coasts to a stop quickly.
It just hums when power is turned on. When I took off the guard it did spin freely with power off.
Yes.but when power is on and it is humming.that is when I need it spun.
Okay, just turned it on, spun it and it is now working. Does it need replaced?
That means all you need is the capacitor. Follow fan wires and you will find a silver canister. Mark wires and take with you to get new one from cooling shop or order online. This is good news. Cheap and easy. Billy.
That's awesome. Thank you very much.
You are very welcome. Just rate service and I will move from active list. Billy.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.